Right, NASA website. There have been salts found on Mars, and apparently it could be the puzzle to living organisms on Mars. Oh, look at that, that looks cool. So, what I'm gonna do now is, if there is any life here at all on this red plain with lots of rocks that used to live on Mars, they could still be present because we have salty areas where salt is, and that could harbor some dormant extremophiles that could still be kind of living there if you add water to it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go and take a sample from a garden with the rainwater, add a ton lot of salt, leave it to a warm place for a bit because that's quicker than, because Martian temperature is cold, and then wait for a few days and see what survives. And if they can survive here like this, then they can survive on Mars.
Right, rainwater. Right, so what we're doing now is I've decided to create a condition similar to Mars using salty environments and my lovely rainwater from the same tire. Right, let's get going then. So I need about half a cup of this. So, whoops, I have my tools with me. Brilliant. Let's start with the pipette and start scooping. That's gonna take forever, but that's okay. Nice and green. Do you know what? It's already bacterial. Let me see if I can find some other water. Another disgusting thing in my garden. Alright, let's see who lives here. Right, that looks like... Is this good enough? Well, let's put a little bit more. Right, yep, that's about half a cup. Right, now let's go and get a tool number 2 going, which is gonna be simple. All right. Now, tool number 2, a teaspoon. Let's go and dig some dirt. Come on, dirt, come on. A teaspoon of dirt. Yeah, come on, without rocks, please. Huh? Cool. Now. So let's go and take a look then. Right, let's go. Right, I'm mixing it up a bit more with a pipette. Look at this. Ooh. Right, yeah. So wait until it clears and then transfer the mixture to the other cup and then take it from there. Okay, so I think they have settled to the bottom, and now let's go and pour static. Pour this liquid onto this glass, right? Oops, right, so that's good. Now let's add some salt. Okay, so a spoon and some salt. Right, 1 and about a half, no, a little bit more. Right, boom, right. Added some salt, now let's go and mix it. I think it's all dissolved. Ooh, it's kind of gone like weird on top. Right, so I'm gonna add a little bit of thing on top and put it. Oh no, they're all dying. Right, and I'm gonna put it somewhere warm. I know Mars is cold, but we're gonna put it somewhere warm to have quicker reaction. And check daily, maybe 3-5 days. I should have something living there. Right, so day 2 or 3, day before yesterday, we have something.
I'm not sure if that's a film or something going on. Right. Okay, I'm gonna leave for another day and then we'll take a look. Yeah. Alright, let's see. So how are we doing so far? There's something on the top, like sort of a yellowish. And I don't know if there's anything. Right, sorry. And right, I have a plan. I'm gonna go and take a look at if anything has survived this salty environment. If they have adapted to the extreme environment to live in. And if they can do that here, they can do it on Mars too. Alright, let me take a look. Alright, okay, so I'm a little bit stressed at the moment because what if I do something wrong? Okay, so I got immersion oil. That's apparently something you need to use for the 100 oil zoom. Right, we'll see how that works. But first things first, let's go and, whoops, put some of this here. Right, I'm gonna, okay, let's go and take a little bit. Okay. Okay, let's go back there. Right, one glass. That's a lot. Hey, be alright, be alright. Let's put it there. Okay, let's do this. So apparently bacteria is a very small organism. So I'm supposed to be seeing little dots and things. Let's try the immersion oil. How do we do that? Let's have a pipette. And then, okay, so let's go down. Tiny bit of oil. Okay. That's nothing. Let's get a little bit more. Alright, good, yeah. It's a clean pipette. So there we have 100 oil. And then apparently you go all in. And then you do this. Okay. And then you go oh, right, cool. Oh, what was that? What was that? Okay, gently. Oh, wow, it does work. Oh my God, can you see this? Oh, something survived. Oh, what is that? Oh my gosh. I don't know what this is. Oh, did you see that? This is something living. Oh, what are those things? These are like Extremophiles. Oh, they survived. Oh, look at that. We're getting better at this every day. My hands are shaking and the table is shaking. Oh, wow. It is so different. This oil thing is really cool. Something survived, definitely, yes. Oh, look this? You telling me this is not alive? You kidding? Look, it's going upwards. Yeah, we have Extremophiles. Ah, there it is again. Look at that busybody. Right, how do I go that way? So that's the surface level things, right? Right, let's quickly take a look at the middle level, right? So the top level is fine. So yeah, you're good there, you're good. Let's take a new sample. Clean it all up. New slide. Then take one of these and go to the... I'm gonna try to get it from the middle. And I didn't record any of that, did I? No, of course I didn't, because I didn't put the record button on my phone, but that's fine. So yeah, basically what I did, I just went to the middle of here. Whoops, not there. Like there. Got some sample and put it on the test tube. Right, you get the idea, right? Okay, let's go. Now then, this is in place. Let's put some of that oil. Woo! Alright, and then go all the way up. And then beep, 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 beep. And that's it, perfect. And now let's go and... Oh, that is much more. What the heck? So, correct. So we're shifting somewhere. Where are you going? Oh, do you see that? That is moving. That there is alive. That bacterium there. Do you see that tiny dot moving? Yeah. That's my 100 magnification, which is what? It's gone away. Ah, there you are. See? So basically, this proves that bacterium can survive in very harsh conditions, you know that? And this is like a very salty environment. What I could do is add more salt and see how we go from there. Ah, hello, what is that? Huh? Holy cow. Well, look at that. That's the best thing I've seen. What? Did it just divide into two? What the heck? Can I get a better image of them? Or is this as good as it gets? Yo. Ah, look, there's a bottom. The animal showing us the bottom. Hey, rude much. Right. So I bet all the other bits are just dead. Hello, there's something small there as well, look. Right next to them. Yo! You know what we need to do now? Because they have obviously adapted to this environment. Yeah. But yeah, for the next next experiment, add more salt, like 2-3 more teaspoons of salt, and leave it for another 4 days or something, and see how those extremophiles evolve. Because they have definitely survived a very salty environment. And they come from a garden soil. Wow, look at this. I am amazed. Firstly, that I can do this. Secondly, I don't know what they are, but they look amazing. That is so cool. Yeah. So now the next experiment I'm gonna add more salt to this mixture, and then take a look at it in about another 3-4 days, or next week. Then leave it a fair chance to evolve and get more populated.
Okay, so as promised, let's add 3 teaspoons, 3, into this mixture. It seems like a lot of salt, but let's try this. Okay, so that's 1, so that's 2, so that's 3. I'm not going to use a spoon for that, but I'm going to stir around with this pipette. So, I haven't been able to get rid of the salt completely, but it's as good as it gets. I'm gonna leave it as it is. Whatever dissolved, whatever didn't. It's gone a little bit foamy. I don't know how much of that is this pipette, how much of it is the salt. But yeah, I'm gonna leave it aside this away. And I'm gonna put this cover on it. Leave it in a warm place for until next week when I'm doing the next video. And then let's see if there's anything at all living in this little cup, because that was amazing today, it really was. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.